Welcome everybody to update open price target for this week. Let's get right to it. Before we go further, guys, disclaimer, remember our content here is just for education purposes. We're not provide any financial advice. Everything we do here is only for education purposes. Always do your due diligence before you put your money on the line. So let's get right to it and discuss open, guys, because the price right now is pulling back. So the question right now, should we have interesting in dip reversal, or we gonna continue this dip? Because guys, let me just show you, we have a huge jump for open and now it's correcting. We went until almost the 6 in record time. Let me just show you here, we did almost 65% in few minutes. So this is kind of normal that we have a pullback. Yes, the pullback was the first pullback was almost 24%, but guess what, the reversal happened in just 19 hours, 20% reversal up quick. So now we have to watch out for critical zone. As you can see here on the red lines, those are the critical zone where we expect buying pressure, whale buying, and this is will give us the same reaction that happened here. Look at that. On Monday and Tuesday we have liquidity zone, and here on Tuesday again, and now on Wednesday is getting near right now the liquidity zone around the 417. So I have three levels where we expect a huge reversal for open, guys. First, around the $4.17. That's why the selling pressure right now slowed down. The other one, we have the $3.84, and the other one is around the $3.49. Precisely those three levels, guys, we expect a huge bounce for open. So now let me just show you what's happened. We broke the support that I'm watching before around this area, around the $4.60. So this area, it is technically a resistance and the confirmation for a reversal, and of course bounce back toward around the 5 and beyond. If we don't break the 460, it means we're gonna have a pullback to touch the liquidity zone for a reversal up. Remember, guys, right now we are almost quarter billion worth of volume. Once the squeeze happened and we went until the $6, almost the $6, we have over have a $1 billion worth of volume. So right now we technically is still good for a squeeze because we are near the quarter million or quarter billion worth of volume. So we have liquidity, we have a huge buying pressure, and we right now we getting neck and neck between the sellers and buyers. That's why the selling pressure is slowed down and getting near the $4.17. So expect the test for the $4.60 if we have a big buyer around the 417. Right now we don't have any big buyer yet. As you can see here, we have a little bounce, and because we didn't test the $4.17 and $3.84. Once we do it, we have to test the $4.63, and if we broke it, it means we're gonna go back again toward the 5 and 530, and maybe even the all-time high for this year around the $6. We're going to discuss open in depth as usual in the pre-market watch list as usual, because yesterday or today in pre-market we discussed MBY. As you can see here, we discussed it once the price was around the 158, and the price before even the market open hit the $1.85 and pulled back after that. So you see what's happening here. Usually the good entry usually in the pre-market. So if you want to catch those kind of stocks and of course get those alerts, the link comes section below to our Discord and Patreon. In the meantime, guys, thank you for watching and see you by tomorrow to update you about open price action and of course where the price will go from there for Thursday. In the meantime, thank you for watching and see you by tomorrow.